Doge is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just hit over 2,300 Telegram members. This is an absolutely free chat for those of you that want to stay up to date with my trades and my signals. Make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading modus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see on Doge, we are testing a key support level in terms of our midterm at 0.24. For those of you that were part of Telegram channel, I mentioned to you guys that if we end up losing this wick low here, we are looking for a stronger push towards the downside, at least back into 0.21. Now, before we jump ahead into the support levels, I want to quickly talk about the previous price analysis and what exactly is happening on Doge. You can see that Doge right now is in a large consolidation zone after a huge drop formation from 0.29, which of course we did end up playing perfectly. Right now is not a buying opportunity. I've talked about this multiple times, but when you have a huge cascade like we've seen here and you end up seeing a consolidation, it usually means that we are expecting another drop formation. Now, of course, this would become invalidated if somehow Doge can break above the exponential moving averages, which of course you can see from previous price analysis. The bulls have not been able to break above the 9 or the 20 for the past few days. This is the deciding factor to know whether or not to be looking for long positions, but you can see that even with Bitcoin breaking above, a lot of the altcoins, including Doge, have been struggling to see any sort of volume or any sort of bullish momentum coming out. If, of course, we end up losing that wick low, though, at 0.24, I want to quickly talk about the worst case scenario that we could see on Doge. Now, I made my video previously for the past few days at 0.29, mentioning to you guys that if we end up losing that support, we are looking for a huge flush towards the downside of 0.21. But I want to give you the worst case scenario if Doge ends up losing the 0.21 region. Now, for that, we have to go to the daily structure, and you can see on the daily time frame, the next area of support when you are looking from a major support level remains to be around the 0.178, and the reason for that is you can see just how many times this level was tested on the daily time frame over here as well as right down here. And of course, if we end up losing the 0.127 region, 172 region, we have to be very cautious. Now, you'll notice the fact that there is quite a bit of a gap formation between the white line here and the white line down here at 0.149. The reason this gap is here is the same way the gap we had at, of course, 0.29 down to 0.21 cents. It was the same exact gap formation. The reason why these gaps are here is because there really isn't much support if we end up breaking structure. So if we end up losing the 17-cent region, there's absolutely nothing stopping Doge from falling right back down into the 14-cent region as well. So be very mindful of that if you guys are looking for those buying opportunities, that is the worst case scenario if Doge ends up losing structure at the 21-cent region. Now, 21 cents, of course, is a major support on the daily time frame, the last remaining support the Doge really has from the overall bullish outcome. If, of course, we end up seeing that consolidation and multiple retest opportunities, if we end up breaking the more retests on that support, the likelihood of trading with that momentum. So just keep an eye on that. But from a bullish case scenario, once again, what we want to see is the bulls actually break above the EMAs and reclaim them as support, and then we can start looking for some relief rallies on Doge. Otherwise, as long as we trade below the EMAs, we are only looking for shorting opportunities and trying to break below the 24-cent region. The next support remains to be at 21, which of course would be the second retest on that major support level. So keep a very close eye on that over the weekend. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trading, make sure to subscribe.